we'll come to this again. Okay. The other thing that we have to remember is, एक symptom मैंने बताया कि cough causes pain in distant parts. ये क्या है? ये अगर एक बार आप समझोगे, then you will understand this violent racking sneezing with thin discharge. But even this causes aggravation of other pains. भले ही उसको घुटना दर्द हो रहा है, sneezing से या coughing से वो बढ़ जाता है.
Is it something to do then with the nerves? Because
No, it is not to do with the nerves. It is so much violent racking. Whether it is cough, whether it is sneezing, whenever he expels, it is so violent that he has full pressure, and that causes, that pressure is transmitted to the parts. That is why there is pain, which is aggravated. That is because of single muscle weakness. Weakness मध्ये त्याला ते जोर लावावा लागतो कफ करायला. Whether it be abdomen, whether it be chest, that is muscle weakness, and in that weakness you have to exert. That is why there is pain. Here the pain generally is not abdomen and chest. It is very clearly even distant parts. लांब असलेले म्हणजे या भागापासून coughing तुम्ही mainly इथून करता ना, and then a little bit from the abdomen. He has even considered throat in it, so you can understand distant artha. Actually coughing can be through the larynx, no? Laryngitis मध्ये, pharyngitis मध्ये there can be coughing. But he considers even pain in throat while coughing as capsicum. Okay. Swelling of the bone behind the ear, painful to touch, which is the mastoid bone. Mastoid bone का पेन का इसमें ये क्या है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? One is the left-sidedness. Two is it is up to the level where there is suppuration inside. Three is it is ameliorated by heat, which suppurations are generally not. Suppurations are aggravated by heat. This is ameliorated by heat. Touch, of course, aggravates because it is a suppuration. Sensitive to noise मध्ये one, it is it irritates him, but two, it also aggravates the pains. It is the sensitivity in capsicum is such that any external impression, all acute senses, no, any external impressions aggravate the pains. Now how and why? You are telling me. We discussed the pathophysiology. How and why? Any external impression is a stimulation. When it stimulates, it is going to give you the sympathetic activity. And this is sympathetic activity causing them. Capsicum is sympathetic activity causing all symptoms, no? That is why there is aggravation. Now we all of us generally know of the mastoid, but it is also useful in the petrous temporal bone. Pain or swelling or abscess or tenderness, whatever the symptom. यहाँ पर अगर सिम्टम है तो आप कैप्सिकम के लिए सोच सकते. More left side. Capsicum is a left-sided remedy. You can remember it that way. Epistaxis aggravated in the morning. Face. What was the symptom we discussed about face?
Red cheeks.
Red cheeks, which are cold to touch.
Belladonna में hot.
Hot. Correct. Tooth feels too long to him. Face red, though cold. There is another remedy, asafoetida. Throat में the main action of capsicum is in the upper part of the throat. So nasopharynx and oropharynx and the palate. ये उसका एक्शन का स्फीयर है. और इसमें अगेन वो बर्निंग, पिंचिंग, कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन, यही सब सेंसेशन आने वाले. बट हाउ विल यू डिफरेंशिएट बेलाडोना, कैप्सिकम और हिपार? कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करोगे? बेटर आफ्टर swallowing is one, and two is when you look. This is going to be what is called crimson. Can you see this? This is crimson. Very close to purple, no? हाँ, but maroon is different. Yeah. Maroon, हाँ, a little between maroon and purple. That is crimson. ये कलर होगा तो आप कैप्सिकम देना. और बेलाडोना कब देना? मतलब कौन सा?
Fiery red means fire का red.
Fire का red.
जो होता है वो.
ठीक है. हिपार कब देना?
Purplish.
Hipper is purplish sometimes if it has suppuration, but even before in earlier stage it will be again blood red. और purplish के बाद वो कौन सा हो जाएगा हिपार? In all three stages you can use hipar if the symptoms are matching. Purplish के बाद कौन सा हो जाएगा? Correct? जोर से बोलो, confidently. बोलो ना, सबको बोलो, मुझे नहीं.
ग्रे
हाँ, क्यों ग्रे बोलो? हाँ? सप्युरेशन पूर्ण झाल्यावर पस येतो ना, it is quinsy. Hipar is useful even in quinsy. So hipar will come in all three stages, either blood red, purplish or grey. Okay. Then in the palate, capsicum also has one symptom which is elongated uvula, and as if it is pressing on something. So what is the other symptom that you can expect in capsicum for cough? Correct. Which other remedy?
Hyosamus.
जोरात सांगा मॅडम.
Hyosamus is also
Correct.
elongated uvula.
Correct. Hyosamus, elongated uvula, causes cough because the uvula touches the back wall of the pharynx and irritates you. The same symptom is seen over here also. Now, interestingly, you should remember Hyosamus is a sister of capsicum. I mean, they are same family. Belladonna is a brother of caustic. भाई है वो. And you all talked about smokers cough. है ना? तो smoking क्या करते हैं? What is smoked? सिगरेट में क्या रहता है?
Nicotine.
Tobacco, no. Tobacco is also a sister of this remedy. It is also Solanaceae family. Fetid odor from mouth. Not like halitosis. Halitosis म्हणजे काय?
Bad
Bad
breath.
breath.
हाँ. पण तर तेच लिहिलंय की मग लिहिताय तेच आणि सांगताय तसं नाही म्हणून असं काय करताय म्हणा.
Oh no. It is halitosis, right? If we are saying fetid odor from mouth.
Yes, fetid odor from mouth, but the difference is here it is with cough. Only when he coughs we get the fetid odor. At no other times. असं दिलंय आणि पुस्तक. At no other times will you get the fetid odor. So then what is the meaning here?
That means the sputum.
Sputum is fetid, offensive. Correct. So what does it mean pathologically? Correct. Empyema म्हणतो. Empyema. There is pus in the lungs which he is coughing out.
Suppurator.
आतमध्ये ऑर्डर जाणं आपल्याला नाहीये. दॅट इज व्हेरी Now the other thing, one I told you is the crimson color. The second is there is edema in the throat. So like apis. Apis मध्ये काय आहे characteristic? Bag-like swelling of uvula. That is not there because the uvula is just elongated over here. But you can feel that the whole thing is swollen. Edema type swelling. Okay?
In capsicum.
In capsicum. In capsicum. Burning pain though is everywhere like that, it is here also. Worse between the acts of deglutition, I have already told you. And in smokers and drinkers, sore throat of smokers and drinkers. There is one interesting hint that one of the authors has given. If you are using capsicum internally, you should also try it as a gargle. So the same remedy, you give a little, maybe a few more pills or whatever, the patient puts it, instead of putting whatever salt or anything for gargling, you should give it that way, it will act faster. Stomach. Have we discussed already? Huh? Distension. वॉमिटिंग. एसिड डिस्पेप्सिया बोला ना हमने. मिर्ची खाने के बाद जो जलन होता है दैट इज कैप्सिकम. सो विद दैट देयर इज वॉमिटिंग, देयर इज डायरिया आल्सो. वॉमिटिंग especially aggravated by having coffee. Coffee. He desires coffee and coffee aggravates. Also, cough excites the nausea. So cough aggravates. And as I said, desires coffee. You might have said, but you said earlier he desires all stimulants, which is the next thing. Even for pepper, from which the medicine is derived, that is what we discussed, right? मिर्ची को भी desire. Much thirst, but drinking causes chill. This symptom you have to remember from the point of view of fever also. Also for diarrhea, for vomiting. He has thirst after every act, either of diarrhea or vomiting. And the thirst is for a large amount, not sips. And as soon as he drinks, chill will start. Chill will cause trembling, shuddering, etc. और फिर वो लंबे टाइम तक चलेगा. फिर हीट शुरू होगा तो क्या होगा? हाई फीवर, है ना?
लो फीवर।
फीवर नहीं है इसमें, याद रखना। चिल लंबा चलेगा, फीवर है ही नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट नहीं के जैसा है, 99 99.5 ऐसा फीवर। और फिर स्वेट नहीं मालूम, स्वेट भी नहीं है। So chill is the only stage which is prominent, and there is thirst during chill. There is no thirst during heat and sweat. अभी ये देखो, पहले बोला नॉशिया ये सब, और इधर दो सिम्टम्स दे दिए। एक तो अननेचुरली इंक्रीज्ड एपेटाइट, इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट इज वांट ऑफ हंगर, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट। सो जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, ये दो स्टेजेस है, वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इट दैट वे, कि इनिशियल स्टेज में अननेचुरली इंक्रीज्ड एपेटाइट है। जैसे वो उसका डलनेस आना शुरू हो जाता है, तो फिर वांट ऑफ हंगर, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट। Distension of abdomen, he cannot even breathe, he feels as if he will burst, and he cannot endure tight clothes, especially around abdomen, like or है, दोनों है, ध्यान रखना, लाइकेसिस में दोनों है, but more prominent is this, which is the other snake remedy, which doesn't have this, but it has this.
Naja.
Naja. Crotalus. Which Crotalus?
Horridus.
I don't know. I think it is Crotalus cascavella, not Horridus. I think it is Crotalus cascavella. Just check. Rumbling with inclination to stool, ameliorated emission of flatus, extending upward and downward. Incarcerated flatus. So, स्टमक, एब्डोमेन, इसमें हमको क्या समझा? नॉशिया होता है, वॉमिटिंग होता है, डायरिया होता है, हर चीज के बाद थर्स्ट आता है, थर्स्ट के बाद चिल आता है, ठीक है? चिल के बाद फीवर वगैरह वो सब, अगर एक्चुअली डायरिया वॉमिटिंग कुछ हो रहा है तो उसके साथ फीवर गया है, बट द फीवर इज लो एंड इट इज शॉर्ट, स्वेट इज शॉर्ट, इट इज नॉट वेरी प्रोफ्यूज, स्कैंडी।